Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and we're gonna make something cool and refreshing. It's cherry limeade. Don't you love cherry limeade? You can make it at home really easily. You're going to need some maraschino cherries, and you are gonna need that juice. You're gonna need some ginger ale or some Sprite, and this is a little less than 8 ounces. You're gonna need a lime or some lime juice, and I keep the lime juice on hand for sure, and limes when I can find them. So this is all you're gonna need, and a glass, whichever glass you wanna use, with crushed ice in it. Now let's get on to making this. This is so easy. So what we gotta do first is we're gonna take care of our lime juice. Now if you're doing 1 glass, you're gonna put probably a couple of tablespoons of lime juice in there. You're gonna do it per your taste. So I've got that in there, and I want this to look pretty, so I've cut up some of these limes and I'm putting them in there, and I will reserve one later to go on the side. And we gotta pull up some cherries. Do I want cherries in mine? Yes. So I'm gonna pull out some of these cherries. 2 or 3, just how many ever you think you want in there. Let's just put them around. Makes it really pretty, so people know what they are. And then we're going to take some of this juice. I'm going to take 3 tablespoons, just put right in there. How easy is that? Okay, yum. And now we gotta pour in our ginger ale. Now everything I have is really cold, so this is gonna be really delicious and ready to go as soon as I get it mixed together. Of course, we got to do a taste test. Now, if you want to make a whole picture of this, I will include the recipe in the comments. Very easy. You can make this yourself. And y'all, it's hot. Go make yourself a cherry limeade. Look at that. Stir it good with my straw. Put this little beauty on the side. And you have got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cherry limeade. It's tart, it's cherry, it's lime, it's delicious. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Love and blessings to you. Y'all go make you a wonderful cherry limeade. Bye now.